In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments in DocuSign VHA, a comprehensive 2025 guide designed to make your document workflows more effective. Let's dive right in and explore each step to ensure you can effortlessly add comments to your DocuSign documents. First, let's start by heading over to the DocuSign templates section. This is your go-to place for starting documents that follow certain templates, providing a consistent look and workflow from the get-go. By visiting the templates section, you're setting the stage for a streamlined process, saving time and ensuring every piece aligns with your intended style and format. Once you're there, select the template you wish to work with. This step is crucial because it ensures that the underlying document is exactly the one you need to work with for this session. It can be helpful to name your templates clearly so they're always easy to find. Once you've selected your desired template, the next step is to click on Use. This option allows you to engage with the chosen template, readying it for the modifications you need to make, like adding recipients and comments. Now you'll want to add your recipient. This is an essential step. You must have the right person associated with the right document. Doing this correctly will ensure that your comments are directed at the appropriate parties, enhancing clarity and communication. After adding your recipient, you should click on Next. This action propels you forward into the document editing phase, preparing you for the final markings and notations your document requires. Let's move on to adding comments. Begin by clicking on Add Comment, which allows you to make pertinent notes or directives on the document itself. Deciding where to place these comments is up to you, depending on the context or the specific section of the document that requires attention. Visualize this like adding sticky notes on a physical document, guiding your recipients directly to the most important points. Once you've pinpointed the ideal location, type in your comment. Here, it's vital to be concise and clear in your communication to ensure the recipient understands your intention fully. Effective comments can vastly improve the clarity of your document, providing guidance and ensuring everyone involved is on the same page. When you are satisfied with your comment, simply click on Post. This action effectively saves and locks in your comment within the document, making sure it's visible and legible to the intended recipient. Finally, the concluding phase involves sending the document. Once all comments are in place, simply click Send, and your document will be dispatched to the recipient with all of your thoughtfully placed annotations. By following these steps, you'll effortlessly enhance your documents with comments in DocuSign, improving both accuracy and communication across your workflow. Happy document signing!